The Poco F7 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that combines high-end performance with a sleek design. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for apps and media. For photography, the F7 Ultra is equipped with a triple camera setup, a 200MP main sensor, a 32MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, allowing users to capture detailed and high-quality images. The front camera is a 50MP sensor, ideal for clear and sharp selfies. The smartphone is powered by a 6000 mAh battery, supporting 150W fast charging, ensuring long-lasting usage and quick recharges. It runs on Android 14, providing a user-friendly interface with the latest features. Additional features include dual SIM support, 5G connectivity, NFC, and an IR blaster, enhancing the device's versatility. With its robust specifications, the Poco F7 Ultra is designed to deliver a premium smartphone experience.